Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu used to pride himself that he fought for democracy. But the democracy he fought for is now being a democracy in which freedom of speech has come constantly under attack, especially given the latest reports in the media that are linked to his son, which indicates that the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not comfortable with opposing views, even though he had been seen as an opposition leader for decades before now. A case in point is how a lot of people have entered into trouble because of his son, Seyi Tinubu. And there are all kinds of allegations. They are available in the media. All you have to do is Google and you see many, or some of them. There was a report recently in Punch newspaper of a woman that was accused of threatening Tinubu's son. The court granted her 10 million naira bail. That kind of woman, where would she get that kind of money? How can she be able to raise 10 million naira bail? The woman's offense was that in a viral video in 2024, the woman remarked in Yoruba, according to the Punch newspaper. The woman said in Yoruba, so it means the majority of Nigerians who don't speak Yoruba, they couldn't have heard what the woman said. It wouldn't have made any difference to them. But the state take it serious that they have to lock the woman up, charge her to court. This is what the woman said in Yoruba. He said, Mr. Seyi Tinubu will die this year, and misfortune and calamity had befallen the Tinubu family. End of quote. That's what she said in Yoruba language. It means that if you saw that video and you don't understand Yoruba, you wouldn't even know what she was talking about. Ordinarily, the president and his son should have ignored it. The government of Nigeria could have ignored it and move on. But they didn't ignore it. They charged this woman. They accused her of bullying and threatening and harassing Seyi Tinubu. So that video that woman made, she was harassing, threatening, bullying Seyi Tinubu, placing him in fear of death or bodily harm, according to the charges. And we are in a democracy. We are in a democracy. This is what we have gotten ourselves into, in a democracy. Now, after his own matter, there's also the case of one Atiku Abubakar, who claimed to be the president of the National Association of Nigerian Students. This Atiku Abubakar, who said that he is the authentic NAN's president, he has accused the son of the president, Seyi Tinubu, and his rival, NAN's president. Some other person is also claiming to be NAN's president. That one is Ladoja Olushola. So Atiku Abubakar Esa is claiming that the son of the president and this Ladoja Olushola allegedly connived and that they were responsible for his abduction by gun-wielding people that attacked him and abducted him. That's what he claimed. And he said that he was taken to the NTA, Nigerian Television Authority, where he was forced to make a statement under duress, issue a statement under duress. In other words, saying that the statement that he made in the NTA was under abduction and under duress. So that's what he was alleging. We don't know whether it's true or false, but there are groups that have come out to defend the son of the president, say it's a lie, that the son of the president had no hand whatsoever in what happened to Atiku Abubakar Issa. Whatever his story is telling, that the son of the president was not involved. Now, recently, Afrobeat star Abdul Karim was Idris Abdul Karim, sorry, it took me a while to remember his full name. Idris Abdul Karim made a music titled Tell Your Papa. Now that music was Idris Abdul Karim's response to Seyi Tinubu, who had, in a viral video, was talking about the fact that his father is the best president that Nigeria has ever seen. And all that. Therefore, acting like the spokesperson of the family. So Idris Abdul Karim responded the only way he knows best, through his music. And he released a song, Tell Your Papa. Now, if you go through the whole lyrics of that song, you are not likely to see anywhere where that what Idris Abdul Karim was singing about, or the lyrics in that song, that is different from the opinion you can get from the ordinary man on the streets of Nigeria. But because it concerned the son of the president, the National Broadcasting Commission had placed it on a ban. No television, no radio station in Nigeria is permitted to play the song. Another indication of lack of tolerance of opposing view in Tinubu's Nigeria. So that is troubling, and that should be of concern to Nigerians, especially at a time like this when we are having challenges with our democracy and with what is happening in Rivers State, where the duly elected governor was removed illegally through the instrumentality of a controversial state of emergency. What do you think? Do you agree with those who are saying that the level of intolerance in Tinubu administration is now being equated with that of Sani Abacha era? Do you agree with that, or do you think that it is being taken too far to compare it with the Abacha era? But compare Tinubu's time to the time of the past, because right now you have a situation where even Malam Nasir El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna State, has said that the most intolerant government in Nigeria's history is Tinubu's government. And when you see these instances being cited, does that give you credence? Does that give credence to what Malam Nasir El-Rufai had been saying, that the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the most intolerant of all governments in Nigerian history, despite the fact that Tinubu himself claimed that he was a Democrat and that he fought for democracy? What is your position? What do you think about the fact that people cannot talk about Tinubu's son, but the Tinubu son can put himself out in the public? Because the truth of the matter is that when he makes statements that are political, people are bound to respond. People are about to write poems about it, sing songs about it. What do you think that shows? Is it frightening the people not to talk about Tinubu's son? He can say anything but don't reply. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section.